ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
اثنان وثلاثون
32.
في المطعم 4
At the restaurant, 4.
At the restaurant, 4.
1 بطاطس مقلية مع الكاتشب.
I'd like French fries with ketchup.
I'd like French fries with ketchup.
2 مع المايونيز.
And 2 with mayonnaise.
And 2 with mayonnaise.
3 سجق محمر مع الخردل المستردة.
And 3 sausages with mustard.
And 3 sausages with mustard.
ماذا عندكم من خضروات؟
What vegetables do you have?
What vegetables do you have?
عندكم فاصوليا؟
Do you have beans?
Do you have beans?
عندكم قرنبيط؟
Do you have cauliflower?
Do you have cauliflower?
أحب أكل الذرة.
I like to eat corn.
I like to eat sweet corn.
أحب أكل الخيار.
I like to eat cucumber.
I like to eat cucumber.
أحب أكل الطماطم.
I like to eat tomatoes.
I like to eat tomatoes.
أتحب أيضا أكل الكراث؟
Do you also like to eat leek?
Do you also like to eat leek?
أتحب أيضا أكل مخلل ملفوف؟
Do you also like to eat sauerkraut?
Do you also like to eat sauerkraut?
أتحب أيضا أكل العدس؟
Do you also like to eat lentils?
Do you also like to eat lentils?
أتحب أيضا أكل الجزر؟
Do you also like to eat carrots?
Do you also like to eat carrots?
أتحب أيضا أكل البروكولي؟
Do you also like to eat broccoli?
Do you also like to eat broccoli?
أتحب أيضا أكل الفلفل الحلو؟
Do you also like to eat peppers?
Do you also like to eat peppers?
لا أحب البصل.
I don't like onions.
I don't like onions.
لا أحب الزيتون.
I don't like olives.
I don't like olives.
لا أحب الفطر.
I don't like mushrooms.
I don't like mushrooms.